Here's how you can add square booking to Instagram. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add square booking to Instagram. Watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just basically open up Instagram. Just gonna go right over here. And once you're inside Instagram, just be sure before adding Squarebook, you are on your professional account, not some any other account. And here, as you can see, I'm on my professional account. So once you're in your professional account, you need to go ahead and press on Edit Profile. And right over here, you gotta go to your category first. Once you're inside category, just choose a category that describes you the best and just choose it. And after that, just go to contact options and then fill out these contact options. The contact options will ask you your email, phone, and address, example, stuff like that. Once you're all done with that, just simply go ahead and press on your link. So here I've already added a link, but you just gotta go ahead and press on add external link and then put the Square Booking URL and give it a title of Square Booking and then just basically press done, and there you go. This is basically it on how you can add Square Booking to Instagram. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.